Tango, Uniform, Sierra, Tango, India 1, 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start. Clear 2, Kilo, India, Alpha, Hotel, Tango, Uniform, Sierra, Tango, India 1, 4,000 feet. When ready to start. Delta, Lima 01143, Redback is correct.
Ground, Sierra, Victor 30912, good day. Sierra, Victor 30912, you are cleared to Oscar, Echo, Juliet, November 5, Golf, Alpha, Romeo, Delta, Yankee 1, 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start. Cleared to Oscar, Echo, Juliet, November 5, Golf, Alpha, Romeo, Delta, Yankee 1, 4,000 feet. When ready to start. Sierra, Victor 30912, Redback is correct.
Ground, Quebec, Foxtrot 87563, good day. Quebec, Foxtrot 87563, you are cleared to Yankee, Mike, Lima, Lima, Alpha, X-ray, 9, 4,000 feet, contact when ready to start. Cleared to Yankee, Mike, Lima, Lima, Alpha, X-ray, 9, 4,000 feet, when ready to start. Quebec, Foxtrot 87563, Redback is correct.
Ground, Uniform Alpha 75127, good day. Uniform Alpha 75127, you are cleared to Yankee, Mike, Lima, via Lima, Alpha, X-ray, 9, 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start. Cleared to Yankee, Mike, Lima, via Lima, Alpha, X-ray, 9, 4,000 feet. When ready to start. Uniform Alpha 75127, Redback is correct. Ground, Alpha 02689, request startup. Alpha 02689, startup approved. Report when ready to taxi. Wilco.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your chief flight attendant. On behalf of our captain and the entire crew, welcome aboard. At this time, make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position and that your seat belt is correctly fastened. Also, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. Thank you.
Ground, Delta, Lima 01143, request startup. Delta, Lima 01143, startup approved. Report when ready to taxi. Wilco.
Ground, Sierra, Victor 30912, request startup. Sierra, Victor 30912, startup approved. Report when ready to taxi. Wilco.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow or carry on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt, and also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask the flight attendant to leave you seat. We remind you that this is a non-smoking zone. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatory. Tampering with, disabling or destroying the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited by law. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you.
Ground, request pushback.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Ground, request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway 07 right.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 07 right.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats and emergency lighting will lead you to your closest exit and slide. We ask that you make sure that all carry-on luggage is stowed away safely during the flight. While we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you.
Reached parking area, switching off. Whiskey Sierra 01422, Roger.
Tower, good day. Holding point runway 07 right, ready for departure.
Wind 005 degrees, 0 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 07 right. Leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff runway 07 right. Call you back passing 3,000 feet. 80 knots. up. Positive rate.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign and you may now move around the cabin. However, we always recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened while you're seated.
Airspeed low. Airspeed low. Airspeed low. Airspeed low. Airspeed low. Airspeed low.
Tower, Delta Lima 00631, ready for departure runway 07 right. Delta Lima 00631, tower, clear for takeoff.
In a few moments, the flight attendants will be passing around the cabin to offer you hot or cold drinks, as well as lunch. Alcoholic drinks are also available. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you.
Tower, leaving 3,000 feet.
Informat 41, contact, radar, on 125.200.
Climb. Radar, on, 125.200. speed to V-low. Tower, good day. Full establish runway. 08 right.
Good day. Wind 000 degrees. 1 knots. Clear to land runway 085.
Clear to land runway. 08 right.
In a few moments, the flight attendants
Reduce
will be
speed to
passing around
V-low.
the cabin to offer you hot or cold drinks, as well as breakfast. Now, sit back, relax,
Flat.
and enjoy the flight. Thank you.
Reduce speed to V-low. Reduce speed to V-low. Reduce speed to V-low. Reduce speed to V-low. Reduce speed to V-flat. Reduce speed to V-low.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just been cleared to land at our
Reduce speed to
destination.
V-low.
Please make sure one last time your seatbelt is securely fastened. The flight attendants are currently passing around the cabin to make a final compliance check and pick up any remaining cups and glasses. Thank you.
Reduce speed to V-low. Reduce speed to V-low. Reduce speed to V-low. Reduce speed to V-low. Gear down. Spoilers. Spoilers. Spoilers.
50, 30, 10.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just been cleared to
Spoilers.
land at our destination. Please make sure one last time your seatbelt is securely fastened. The flight attendants are currently passing around the cabin to make a final compliance check and pick up any remaining cups and glasses. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, We have not yet reached the gate. Please remain seated, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to your destination. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisle clear until we are passed at the gate. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments and removing items, since articles may have shifted during flight.
Ground. Runway. 08 right. Vacated. Request taxi to gate.
Roger. Continue taxi to gate.
Wilco.